mean you don't trust the police?
In my business, you don't trust anybody.
Hey, this shit like videos, you hear me? Everything I'm saying in this motherfucker all props. This shit is not real. Just in case police listen, I speak real smart. Slide.
Falling hard and gotta pass the ball. I don't need your sex at all. I done knocked down half the town. I don't need no pass around. I fuck the finest, top it and down. They think that I'm conceited. Fuck a bitch, I need my chick up in my palm. I gotta see it. Bitch, I cut you off right now. You tell me you can't play the part. Bitch, I'm turned up bad. I don't need your ass. I could have any hoe. Like these on you can fuck with a big timer. Yeah, I be my bitch, but you don't come before these commas. Karma, I've been seeing karma. I wake up and she gon' get me top in her pajamas. I'm gon' call up, see you, we gon' see if they want drama. Then kick up my feet and probably smoke some marijuana.
Baby on my page like slap one, I know they trolling me. Outside with y'all pick only be on, I keep the folks with me. Got it back in blood, y'all just don't know that's how it supposed to be. Call him for a feature just to kill him, cause we know he's who the fuck is that? Bro, go check the door, look out the window, don't forget the
model hoe. Bitch, I'm really him. Better not look at me in one of those. Fresh up out the trench. I get grandma